Communication is fundamental in warfare, and robots have the ability to communicate at incredible speeds. Data transmission systems for communication such as Wi-Fi, cellular, and Bluetooth have speeds ranging in hundreds of megabytes per second, and humans can only communicate through speech or written words. The rate of data processing of humans is already incomparable to robots. Now, let's imagine what will happen in 20, 50, or 100 years. The new chip from Apple, the M1 Ultra, currently comes with a system called Ultra Fusion. This connection can communicate two chips at 2.5 terabytes per second. This insane speed allows levels of communication and coordination between both chips in this specific case. And now imagine a future where a system of decentralized robots could communicate at those same speeds. It would allow coordination like never before, blurring the line between each individual member and creating new collective organisms united by all this shared information. Nonetheless, if the information is not being processed as fast, or at least close to as fast as it is being received, otherwise the data will queue. That's the limiting factor in current ways humans use the internet. Even though phones can receive thousands of messages at the same time, humans can only read one at a time at roughly 250 words per minute. This means that as humans start transitioning warfare systems to self-control and self-determining, the capacity of those systems to communicate and process that information will completely revolutionize the way humans wage war. And this advantage is not perceived only when systems are completely self-determining. Any level of self-determination allows this machine to gain access to this river of information. Just imagine if the most powerful computer communicating with an army of thousands of drones, self-driving tanks, and self-driving warships. This type of cohesive teamwork is what the future of war will look like, and this transition is already occurring. Here we can see a general of the USA Army talking about the interoperability and the interconnectivity between the different branches of the military, and it becomes clear the direction the armed forces are taking.
What I've learned about talking to all these other folks that work for you is something called multi-domain operations.
Yeah.
And can you explain that to me?
So multi-domain operations, I will tell you, it's I am positive. One thing I'm positive, it's the way of the future in warfare, and we're either going to do like we are now, innovate and move towards multi-domain operations to either win a conflict in the future or prevent it, because nobody would be stupid enough to fight against us, or we're going to be forced to do it because we lose someday pretty badly, and we're going to have to do it. And I hope that's not the case.
So you're trying to get ahead of the curve.
Get ahead of the curve, not fight the last fight, but fight the future fight. And in fact, maybe not have to fight because we're so darn good. Nobody can match us. And so this is an evolutionary thing. You go back to the Civil War, the Battle of Vicksburg, and the Army had to work with the Navy and a river in that case to win at Vicksburg. With
Grant actually diverted the river.
There you go, exactly.
Yeah, Grant's Canal.
And so you got domains in play there, you know, a little bit of maritime and land. However, things have changed, as you know, as well as anybody. The world's gotten so complex, and now there are these other domains out there. Cyber, space. I would also count the human domain as well, I think is the most important.
What do you mean by that?
Yeah, you know, what I mean by the human domain is that when you look at conflict, It's a contest of wills, and people are involved. It's about people. I mean, there may be, machines going against each other, and some people say, "Oh, it'll all be autonomous AI and all machines in the future." I certainly don't believe that. There'll be autonomous vehicles. There'll be a lot of that's done, but people are always going to have to be involved. That's the nature of conflict, and so it's influence over those people. And what we're seeing today is, you can influence someone before you're even at conflict with them, and you can influence them in the cyber domain, and you can influence them in the space domain, and you can influence, and there are no boundaries.
This level of connectivity is one of the many big steps that are fundamental for the technologies that are coming. And there are big steps that humanity will take that lead to a future where humans become less relevant in war. But it's still difficult to imagine a future without humans involved in some manner, to which many answered as Elon Musk did during this interview.
I mean, ultimately, if you want to go with full AI symbiosis, you'll probably want to do something like that. Like, AI is getting better and better. Even in a benign scenario, we're kind of left behind. We're not along for the ride. We're just too dumb. So how do you go along for the ride? So you can't beat them, join them.